Before we can start with our PLC programs, we need to get some software which we can use to actually write our programs or our ladder diagrams in. For this course, we're going to be using a piece of software which is free from the Delta website called ISPsoft. So in the resources section, I will just leave the link to this page for you to go and download ISPsoft. Another piece of software we're going to be using for simulating a PLC is something called ComGR, so you would need to get that. So just to run you through how to get the software, once you're on this page, you need to make sure that you have got industrial automation selected, and then we want to go and select PLC programmable logic controllers. Then from here we want to click on software and hit submit. And then from there you want to download this ComGR. The latest version at the point of making this video is 1.09. So download that, and also the latest ISPsoft 307. So once that's downloaded, just unzip it. Now you will see it's going to be a zip file here, and just install it on your machine, both of these pieces of software. And in the next video, we will actually set up our simulator, so you don't need a physical PLC to start programming. You can just use the ComGR simulator to simulate a hardware PLC on your PC, and we can then start programming. See you in the next lecture.